Imagine a midnight stage lit by a single pale spotlight, not for a pop star, but for a machine named Robot White Moon, Elf Swan. At the heart of this creation is Yuhang Hu, a robotics engineer and composer, best known as the founder, CEO, and CTO of Agibot, a startup specializing in hyper-realistic humanoid robots. The moment a composer-engineer like Yuhang decides to put a piece of his own music into the mouth of a machine is a reminder that engineering plus art can create very convincing emotional experiences. As the bionic icon of Agibot, Elf Swan leverages 42 independent facial motors to deliver exquisitely nuanced expressions.
是否一切都变得太快，把记忆丢弃在昨天？
The face is not a static mask or a cartoonish impersonation of humanity. It is a layered system of tiny actuators and brushless micromotors, working under a high-precision control system to sculpt micro-expressions that sync with speech and gaze. Agibot says that Elf Swan uses a mixed multimodal AI stack, such as large language models and vision language models. However, the company keeps the exact hardware and the local or cloud split proprietary for their demos. Elf Swan is a luxury reserved for those who seek the ultimate intersection of art and AI. Each unit is custom-tuned, but the Yuhang Special Edition remains a rarity, containing the original love song that unlocks her true heart.